Um, it's been a day, we'll just say that. Hey guys, how's it going? It's the next day. Just ate lunch. Dad just took off with the rake. He's gonna double up most of everything that we raked yesterday. Keep it efficient for me. Right now I'm working on the baler. We're getting everything kind of blown out. Goal number one for the balers is to keep them cleaner. The dust and stuff like that, you know, it accumulates on the inside. We're going to keep them a little bit cleaner. I got a couple areas of concern to keep clean, and as well as keep them dry. Combination of keeping them clean and keeping them dry. You get that dusty, dirty dirt, dust, junk on top, and it rains and that turns into mud, and it causes, I don't know if it really causes a lot of problems, but it turns into a mess. So I'm gonna do a little bit more blowing out. I got most of the baler done here. I blew the tractor cab out the front end here. I just want to go up by the knotters, blow this whole area out. I kind of checked underneath. I want to at least take the pressure washer to the tractor windows, get the dirt and the manure and whatever else is up there off. I don't think there's much for me to grease, but I might go ahead and do something. And then I'm gonna kind of set up feeding for Mom, get my feed mixed, and hopefully we can go bale then. So we're gonna keep working on this. We'll clean the windows, mix up the feed. I'll probably drive out there, just look it over, see what I think, and then we're gonna go ahead and hopefully bale the rest of the afternoon going into tonight. So I'll keep you updated. We'll see what happens. Hey guys, how's it going? We are baling. It's got all that other stuff done. The baler's ready. I washed the tractor windows a little bit. It only does so much. The moisture is decent. I'd love to see it lower, but they kind of messed up on the weather. We had fog this morning. They're always messing up on the weather, but get a couple high reads, couple really low reads. So with this system, you can't jump at every high read because it's every little wet stem or wet leaf that goes through is going to skew your data a little bit. But I figure with this stuff, this is our land here. This is the last bean straw that we're going to do off our land, and it's been raked 4 or 5 times now, so I'm just going to bale it. It's going to make good stuff, I think. Should anyways. It's bedding too, so you can't, you know, and even a little bit higher moisture. It's not high moisture. It's dry. It's just not as dry as it could be. It'll probably make better bedding, honestly. It's
not so dusty. So we're gonna go here. We got this raked real thick. I'm going 1.7 miles an hour. I could speed up now. Now we're going 2 miles an hour. Kicked out almost 10 bales now. Over 10 bales now, so we're going up a hill. The moisture should drop, ideally. But for sure gonna bale this. Just gonna bale it. We'll see what that other stuff is. If it's really tough, maybe we'll, I don't know. I'm hoping by the time I get over there it's dry, so it should be. It really should be. So we're gonna keep going. This field's about 3/4 mile long, so it's taking a long time. I only got like 4 rows though, so that'll be nice. Time to speed up again, Deb. Wisconsin Farmer, if you're watching, I know you got a comment that I need to answer yet. I want to do it while I'm there. He's asking about the goats, so I want to be by the goats and talk about them. And really answer your question on what we're doing with them. But we've just been running like hell lately. We have purchases. We have new purchases on the farm that I need to talk about, but I just haven't got there yet. We got stuff that we've done that I need to talk about. I just haven't gotten there yet. So stay tuned for that. We got today. We're probably going to move bales tomorrow, and I think tomorrow night they got rain, and middle of the week is kind of rainy, wet. So I'll have time there to talk about some of that stuff. So stay tuned for that. But for this video, we're going to be baling hopefully the rest of the day. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, just moved on to the next field, which was the first field I raked yesterday. This stuff is dry. I think on that other field, I think I was the one that messed up there. I think I baled the stuff that he raked last. 'Cause it seemed like once I got off that first row, it really dried down. I don't know for sure. It's all going to be okay. But this stuff is super dry here. But it is thinner. I'm moving twice as fast here. So hopefully I make a good amount of bales here. That it pays for them. I pay by the bale. I'm not going to discuss that too much. But you know, I want for them to possibly make a little bit of money out of this. So, you know, we're trying here. So, so it's dry. I think Dad's thinking he's still working on that other piece, because there's this piece and then the other piece, which is about, I think, 55 acres. So we got a ways to go on this farm, and then we'll head over to another farm, the last field that we raked. I didn't get anything on that. I think Cody might have. But we actually rented that farm. That's kind of exciting. But yeah, so we're gonna keep on going here. Baler's running good so far. I don't want to say too much, but so far it's running good. So hopefully it holds up. And let's see, I had on that other field total, I had 100, just over 100 bales, which is wonderful. I took 45 of them yesterday morning. We sold, they're all sold already. I got a couple loads to go. Probably tomorrow we'll be hauling bales again. So definitely gonna help pay some bills. So, well, we're gonna keep going, and I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, it's been a day, we'll just say that. I got the other baler on now. We had to steal a tire off the 2017 because this one of the tires is flat, and our tire shop is currently closed for well, a couple days. So we had to switch the tire out. Before that, I was having a lot of trouble with the knotters. And let's just say if you don't know anything of what you're doing with these knotters, I think I have a problem right now, actually. I gotta quit turning the camera on. We'll see what happens. But anyways, they'll drive you nuts, and sometimes it's just out of your expertise, and that's exactly what it was. I couldn't find anything that would have been the problem, because it wasn't just one. I'd get like 2 or 3 at a time, and yeah, I got it in this tie. First one on this baler, so I can't complain too much, but yeah, it wasn't working, and I was spending more time fixing strings than anything. Texted my baler mechanic. I haven't heard nothing yet, so we'll see what he says. Maybe it's something real simple. I'm not sure it's actually what, I don't really know. It's hard to say, but I gotta go fix that now. Hey guys, it is now Monday. I don't know how this video is going to be. I'm just going to start piecing together. Anyways, we're baling up the last piece of bean straw for the spring, I'm going to say, unless I find some more or somebody offers me more. Still running on baler 2. mechanic really hasn't gotten back to me on the other one. Kind of just been asking questions back and forth. And I don't know, I'll probably get some time here the next couple days. I'll probably go through it and see if I can find anything. Something's out of whack. I don't know. So I took a load this morning. I sold a load this morning, semi-load. So I reloaded that. I took off with that right away. Dad's loading hay for a guy. At least he was a little while ago. We're trying to sell most of that DNR hay, but it's kind of coming slow right now. So I just thought I'd keep you in the loop. We're gonna finish this off and park everything in the shed. It's supposed to maybe rain tonight, tomorrow, so we'll see what. Preferably no rain, but we've had a decent stretch here, so I'm gonna keep going. We don't have too much to do here. 25 acres probably, maybe 30. And then that'll be a wrap on bean straw for the spring. So.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. It's been a long couple of days. All the bean straw is done. Most of the bales are sold, and all of the bales are at least off the field. And then, well, we got to figure out where we're going to go with the rest of them, if we start stacking them up or what. We're looking at switching to corn stalks here shortly, so we'll be doing that pretty quick. Next video, I go to the comment section and talk about and answer a couple outstanding comments. So what I've been doing is taking any questions that I get in the comments and I explain them in the video. Just hoping to really get in touch with anybody watching, and hopefully it encourages people that have questions to ask their questions, whether it's simple stuff about our farm or just a broad farm topic. I'd be glad to answer, and who knows, maybe I'll learn something myself if I need to do some research, you know, to effectively answer your question. But feel free to ask any questions, throw them in the comments, and they will be answered in a video. So next video I go and answer a couple questions that have kind of been outstanding. Just been really busy here the last couple days. So once again, thanks for watching. Like, comment. If you haven't yet, subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out and encourages me to make more as well. Really having fun with these comments, and I'm really seeing some steady views with the videos, so I'm pretty happy with that. But once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody that's here, and I hope to see you all next time.